So around here we've got tools for the toolbox, yeah? So people, it seems that they actually are looking for things that they can take away, implement into their teams when they go back, and also show value from the course, right? We spent 2 days here, and we want to go back and say, yeah, these are the things I learned. So these things are really the expression of saying, this is what I want. So some of the things, 2 to 3 deliberate actions for improving the impact of leadership. So we're looking for something tangible around there.
And we've got practical techniques, which is underlined here. So obviously we want something that's tangible, practical, we can take away. And the summation of these things are like clean language. You've got 2 stickers here, so obviously that's added importance in my mind. So stuff, as Ash was saying, that can make a difference to you tomorrow.
So these are tangible things. What we need here is social proof, right? So what we need to say, these are stories, these are real life examples of leadership in action. So again, when we go back and we're talking to people, hey, we should do things maybe like this, or you should lead like this, we need to give them social proof of other places where this has been used as well. So they can say, yeah, you know, we can validate it. These things have happened. Trust us because it's worked there. So this is a social proof section over here.
And this is something that probably most people in this room have some kind of stories. So again, underlined here, meaning I'm seeing quite a lot of importance in this, challenges and successes that people have had already. So we've all had probably some success, but we've also had a lot of challenges. So we've got this information is contained already in this room. How do we unlock that?
On this side, it's all about really us understanding our own personal growth in these 2 days. So we're all at different levels, we all do different roles, we've got different backgrounds and experience. So we're the best people to understand how much we've grown and how much we've moved forward. But we want some kind of assessment or a way of assessing ourselves so we can acknowledge to ourselves, yes, this was a good use of my time, I did learn something, and you know, I've been able to move on from this.
And this area here, obviously scaling practices, but specifically around the management side of those. So being able to influence those who are in management, and looking at it from particularly from an agile perspective, and also from a leadership perspective, the why of these scaling practices. You know, why are we doing them? How do we influence those to do them better? What does it mean for a leader?
Yeah, and just one other thing where we've got the underline here, influence senior management. So of course a lot of this, you know, the leadership journey is about personal leadership and changing your own leadership style. But with what we do, right, it's about influencing others and building leaders as well. So this is very much about saying, great, I learned some stuff, but I need to also pass that on, so I just want some confidence around there. So I think generally those 4 big sections are something that we'd like covered. So are those things that you reckon we got covered within the rest of the schedule anyway? I bet they are.